Hi, thanks for joining me for this episode. Let's talk about something I know a lot of us have run into asking ChatGPT for help and getting garbage. You ask a smart question and it gives you a long winded answer full of buzzwords, fluff, or worse, something that sounds confident but is totally made up. If you're creating content, you don't have time to waste cleaning up AI's mess. You need clear, usable ideas you can actually work with. So today I'm walking you through 10 ways to get better, faster, and clearer results from ChatGPT without wasting time getting vague advice or ending up with cringe copy you'd never post. Whether you're writing content, prepping a video script, or building a carousel, this will help you take control and get what you need. So let's dive in. Number one, say no BS, no fluff in your prompt. ChatGPT will absolutely serve you fluff unless you tell it specifically not to. Try saying, give me 3 content ideas. Keep it concise, no BS, no inspirational fluff, no making stuff up. You'll be shocked at how much sharper the output is when you draw the line before it starts rambling on. Number 2, ask it to summarize, organize, and label. Instead of spending 20 minutes cleaning up your messy notes or transcripts, have ChatGPT do it. This is what I do to create summaries and talking points for my podcasts and interview shows. Try this. Say, summarize this in 2 to 3 short paragraphs and give me 5 top takeaways and 3 to 4 title options. Or you can try this. Turn this brain dump into a clean outline with bullet points. Think of ChatGPT as your fast, unpaid intern who needs plenty of direction. Number 3, feed it examples that work. If you have something that already landed well, like a LinkedIn post, use it. Say, here's a post I wrote that performed well. Use the same tone and structure, but make it about XYZ. Or, here's a blog layout that I like. Recreate it using this new topic. AI learns from patterns. The more you show it what good looks like, the more it'll likely hit the mark. Number 4, stack prompts like building blocks. One-liner prompts only get you so far. So combine what you want in one go. For example, I teach content strategy to consultants. Give me 5 LinkedIn post ideas in a matrix format that includes idea, title, suggested format, text post, carousel, or video, hook, and a CTA for each. Layer your requests. Be clear. The more direction you give, the better your result. Number 5, give ChatGPT some context, who you are and who you're talking to. ChatGPT isn't a mind reader, so if you want smart, relevant suggestions, you've got to give it some context. For example, I might say, I help B2B professionals, consultants, and entrepreneurs who are nervous on video. Give me 3 topic ideas that would appeal to. The more it knows about you and your audience, the less generic the response will be. Number 6, set the style and format rules up front. Tell it exactly how to deliver the content to you. Try this. Keep this under 50 words per slide, or keep the sentences short, no compound sentences, or use a casual but direct tone. Lead with action verbs. If you want a tight, usable response, be specific. Number 7, ask for specific formats. You can ask to tailor the format to match what you're creating. For example, give me a short post or blog outline on this topic, or turn this idea into a LinkedIn carousel with 8 slides. It's not just about the content, it's about how you're going to use the content. Number 8, test multiple styles and voices. Sometimes you don't know what will hit best until you see it. So try this. Give me 3 hooks, 1 bold, 1 funny, 1 educational, or write this post in 3 voices, direct, warm, and sarcastic. This is how you find the version that fits you and your brand voice. Number 9, ask for a BS check. This one can be a game changer. When something sounds too fluffy or over the top, ask it for a cleanup. Say this, for example, edit this and remove anything exaggerated, generic, or just made up. Just stick to the facts. It's like asking ChatGPT to stop acting like a cringy salesperson. I have to tell it that a lot. Stop being so salesy. Number 10, use prompts to set the tone. Want it to sound like you? Give it a character to play. Try saying, Act like a smart, straight talking video coach, or act like a marketer explaining this to a beginner. It'll shift the tone to match what you're actually going for. So when it comes to ChatGPT, here's the deal. ChatGPT isn't magic. It's a tool, and like any tool, it works better when you know how to use it. These 10 prompts will save you time, help you create better content, and honestly, it'll make ChatGPT way more useful for you and your business. Thanks again for joining me today. If you found this episode valuable, please share it with a friend.